KPMG, in partnership with Airline Economics, are delighted to present you with our 2022 Aviation Industry Leaders Report, Recovery Through Resilience. The report takes in the views of industry leaders from airlines, manufacturers, banks and the leasing community. 2020 was the toughest year aviation has ever faced, with record losses and a collapse in air travel. And while 2021 will result in the second highest losses on record, there is a general belief and optimism that the recovery is underway. Pent-up demand is evident. What we have seen over the course of the last year is that once restrictions lift, people are keen to return to flying. While the challenges stemming from new variants of concern are significant, there has been a strong recovery in domestic markets, and positives can be taken with the introduction of the EU vaccine passport and the reopening of transatlantic travel. While Asia remains the most challenging region, the question is when, not if, we will see a full recovery in air travel. Climate change continues to be a key area of focus for the industry. The 2050 net zero target is hugely ambitious and will be a challenge for the sector to achieve. There is a clear consensus that the near-term focus should be on sustainable aviation fuels and that a broader international focus on investing and developing SAF is key to making material emissions improvements over the next decade. There is agreement from all within the sector that the increased focus of both governments and investors on ESG will have a significant impact on airlines, manufacturers and aircraft lessors in the coming years. This will continue to drive demand for new technology and more fuel-efficient aircraft. Aircraft leasing has proven remarkably resilient over the course of the crisis. With airline balance sheets stretched like never before, the importance and popularity of the leasing channel has grown further. Lessors funded more than 50% of new deliveries in 2021, and some believe that the percentage of leased aircraft could grow to over 60% in the coming years. With Ireland at the centre of the aircraft leasing world, that's a big plus for our economy. Investor confidence in the leasing model has never been higher. We have seen the aviation ABS market return with surprising speed, getting close to 2019 levels and funding over $8 billion of aircraft purchases in 2021. We've also seen significant unsecured debt issuances by investment-grade lessors at very attractive rates. None more so than AerCap, who raised over $21 billion in unsecured funding to complete their remarkable purchase of GCAS. That theme of consolidation and scale is one that we will return to over the course of 2022, with the expectation that while more consolidation is likely, we will also continue to see new capital and new entrants enter the leasing space. Overall, the outlook of the industry participants in this report was cautiously optimistic. The last 2 years have been the most challenging the sector has ever faced. But the resilience of the entire sector has been remarkable. The belief is that the worst of this crisis is behind us and that a globalized vaccine rollout, coupled with a coordinated international effort in managing restrictions, will drive a recovery towards 2019 air travel levels in the near term. We have seen over the course of 2021 that the appetite of the human race to take to the skies is undiminished. As Heaney once said, if we can winter this out, we could summer anywhere. On behalf of KPMG and Airline Economics, I would like to thank all the participants for their time and insights, and I hope you enjoy the read.